Hi guys, welcome back to my blog, I'm Architect Studio, and today I would like to invite you to join me to visit VERDON Park in Davao City. VERDON Park Condominium Davao City is a residential condominium complex that promotes leisure living with 1 hectare's allocation for its amenities. Located at Ecoland Drive, corner Peacock and Melati Street, Ecoland Subdivision, Matina Davao City. This condominium project in Davao City has 4 mid-rise buildings, developed by DMC-UPDI Homes Corporation. But before that, before mo makalimutan, please like and subscribe to my channel, Architect Studio, and hit the notification bell to be updated every time I have a new upload in my channel. VERDON PARC RESIDENCES DAVAO allows you to be at the center of everything while providing you with privacy and security for your peace of mind. A perfect place to nurture relationship with family and friends. Flourish with array of recreational facilities designed for all ages. This condominium project is very near to important establishments such as school, churches, malls, and others. So tara, samahan niyo ko, let's explore VERDON Park in Davao City. 나를 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸 I'm going crazy 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게 내 맘을 받아줘 영원히 변치 않을 테니 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 I'm going crazy 내 맘을 받아준 오늘 완벽해진 하루 Hey girl, you're my sunshine Hey girl, 처음 본 순간 느낌 떨림을 Everyday 보고 싶어 Everyday 항상 그 자리에 너를 기다려 뭐라고 말을 걸어볼까 Right now 뭐라고 내가 기다리던 Show me what you got, 눈빛으로 말고 Show me what you got, show me what you got 내 맘과 같다고 Show me what you got, 내 맘 다 안다고 Hello, 그 짧은 인사 Good night, 그 짧은 인사에 왜 설레는 걸까 나만 그런가 Everyday 보고 싶어 Everyday 항상 그 자리에 난 너를 기다려
우주보다 숨기지 마 그래야 내가 맘이 너 아직 어리지만 너를 갖고 있던 사는 한 송이고 모든 아픔은 잊고 이제 함께 시작해보는 거야 It's no piece of girl always think about you
Hi everyone, please subscribe to Architect Studio by Architect Gerald Patrick Caraya. Congrats Gerald.